Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get a Google Map API key, so let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using this official Google Maps documentation, simply to make things a bit clearer, and because I don't have any projects which I can get an API key for, so let's get right into it. So, first thing you're going to need to do to get an API key is you're going to need to set up a project. If you don't already have one, it needs to have a billing account and it needs to have the Maps Embed API enabled. You can do this through the Cloud Console. You can set it up through the settings very easily. You just need to have the Maps API embed enabled, and that should be good. Now once you're done with that, then you can actually start fetching your API key. Now you're going to create your own, and you can do this either through the Cloud Console or the Cloud SDK. You can use whichever option fits you best. So pretty much what an API key, it's a unique identifier. If you're planning on using any Google code or Google programs to use in your own project, it needs to communicate for you to authenticate yourself to make sure that it is you using that key, and it will then allow you to use, for example, Google Maps. And to create your own API key, what you need to do is you just need to go to the Google Maps platform, then go into credentials, then from there on click on create credentials, and then go into an API key, and the API key create dialog will display your new API key, which you can then use. Then you can just click close, and it'll be listed on the credentials page under API keys, and that's pretty much it. If you want to use the SDK, you literally just have to use this here command. Just enter gcloud services API-keys create, and then backslash, and then project, and name the project, a display name, and name the display name. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.